Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. Like I said, I'm buying this stuff up while it's cheap. Anyway, another Lionel. This is a Lionel 246 with its original tender, wedge tender. And picked this up for 10 bucks. I was the only bidder on it. So I'm really curious to see what kind of condition this is actually in. There was only a couple of photos of this. The dreaded styrofoam peanuts. Horrors. Hold on. Alright. I hate these things. Whoa. Alright. There's the locomotive. And there is the tender. Alright, get this out of the way. Alright. Wedge tender appears to be in decent condition. Now, let's look at the locomotive and see what we have. So, a Lionel 246. Front truck, rear truck. Runs smoothly, it's complete, it's undamaged. Let me pull the camera off the tripod and get a look at this. Alright, the Lionel 246. As you see, this appears to be in really decent condition. No problems, no damage. Whether it runs or not is a whole different ballgame. I have no idea. So let's find out. Let's put this directly on this rail. Alright. Alright, we're on the rail. Turn the power on. Let's see what happens. Lionel 246 with its original slope back tender. eBay, 10 bucks. Uh-huh. Well, a bad sign. So I would imagine that is the brushes, since it's actually trying to run. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's better. All right, so it is running. Now it's just a matter of getting it running consistently and well. So it's been sitting for a long time, but as you can see, it's in fairly decent condition. There's no great amount of damage. There's a broken marker. I knew that. I saw that in the photo. But actually, overall condition is quite good. So it's just a matter of now getting it running. So I will lubricate it. It's really dry. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of the Lionel 246. 10 bucks on eBay, and I was the only bidder. So I've got to say it again. Don't overlook the junk. So I'll clean this up, lubricate it, and take it from there. I have no doubt it's going to run. So I just want to do a quick unboxing video. I'll do a follow-up once it's up and running well. But it's complete. It's in decent condition. That being a relative term. It's far from perfect, but it is inexpensive with its original slope back tender. Lionel 246, eBay, 10 bucks. Anyway, I'll get this up and running. I'll do a follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.